Question 16, we have a SHM, right, where the displacement of the mass, right, takes place about a 50 cm mark. Okay, so we call this H and this T. So it goes to 55 and 45. Oh, the initial condition, right, is important for us because, right, we know it is released at time equals 0 from 5 cm below, so it's at 45. So the graph, right, will look like this. Okay, with that, right, we can actually write out the formula. And this question we have two methods. So method 1, right, is use the equation. So H, right, is equals to, you see, the entire sine function, right, or rather the minus cosine function takes place about 50 cm mark. Okay, so you must plus a 50. Then minus 5.0 cosine omega t. Omega is 2 pi times f. Okay, so it's 1.25 here times t. So let's rewrite this. This 50 minus 5.0 cosine 2.5 pi t. Okay, substitute in 1.1 second, you can get the corresponding H. Method 1, right, is for it's a sure cue. Okay, for people who feel less confident, right, but for someone who is very familiar with SHM, right, method 2 will be like the easier one. I will have used method 2. Noticing, right, that 1.25 is the frequency, so the period, right, will be equals to 1 divided by 1.25, which is 0.8 second. Okay, so where is 0.8 second? This is one period, or this is 0.8, and 0.8 is a nice number. It's divisible by 4. So you see, so here is 1.0, here is 1.2. Hence, right, 1.1 second, right, is talking about this point halfway through 0 to 90 degree. It's a 45 degree mark. Then you ask yourself, right, when you sine or cosine 45, what is the answer? The answer is, right, 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2, right, this is a number that you need to remember. This number, right, is actually 0.7. Okay, 0.7. So with that, right, then it's very easy already. This value, right, will be correspondingly 0. So it's 50 plus 0.7 times of 5, which is like 3.5 cm. So answer will be 53.5 cm. For uninitiated people, right, you think that this method is difficult, but I can tell you, right, this is very easy, because once you grasp all these mathematics, right, these are things that are shortcut. Because punching calculator, right, go and punch out, substitute in the t, cosine the angle, especially cosining the angles in radian, right. If you make a mistake, you never convert the calculator to radian, you will confirm get the wrong answer one. So understanding how the sine graph function, or the simple angles, right, the 30, 60, 45, all these things, right, that will help you a lot in this topic.